It's a special day filmed on the most high definition camera. 3/3/1994, Pontiac East, Michigan. This truck was built. Today is 3/3/2024. That would make it what? Yes, old. Old. It would make it old. By some standards, I don't think so. There's many of these things still around. Condition report, rip seat. Dashboard finally started cracking. It's not shattered yet, but small cracks. The old sticker, 30 years old. I wish you can get that reproduced somehow. I don't know how. Got the little Michigan logo, UAW, GM. That was probably black. Pontiac East Assembly. Pretty cool. The plant got knocked down like 2009, I think. I kind of wanted to go there with this thing. I'm serious. Had all stacks in the front. I believe the trucks built there are better than the Indiana ones. Paint's all peeling off. The sides all pushed in. The biggest threat to Whitey is the drivers around here. The person who drives this vehicle and this driveway. Those are the biggest threats of Whitey's future existence. So I'm probably gonna hopefully fix all that, and then maybe we can go paint it or something. Make it look nice again. Instead of a peeling piece of crap with $4,000 of crash damage. It did not come with the work truck bumper. It had a bumper strip. It had the chrome trim, and it had the black stuff going down the side. It was an SLE model. The one remaining badge. And I had the trim, and didn't come with these wheels either. What's left of them they need to be finishing. Came with steel wheels, with the bolt-on center cap and the ring. But I guess the dealer changed it, or the previous owner changed it. If I ever see the guy, I'm gonna go ask, but I don't live there anymore. I think he's still around. Yeah. And maybe the dealer changed it just to sell it, because it was sitting around since 1995. Nobody wanted it. And then he bought it in 1995. Then we bought it in 1996. So, what else is wrong with it? The fender I ruined. I'm sad about it. I ruined this fender. This is off of 96. Very sad. I ruined my nice original fender. Still am. I need to find a better one. The tailgate was stolen. So this is some piece of shit tailgate. The hood flew up because I told the person who drives this thing that the hood is not latched and they should pull over and latch it. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. 2 seconds later, the hood flies up. So it had aftermarket hood, which was terrible. Original hood wrecked. It was all smashed in over here from me getting pulled up. And then I got this hood, which is an original, but it's peeling. Needs repainting again. Rusty door bottoms, rusty radiator support. Besides that, hasn't went over 200 yet. Hasn't went over 300 or 400, or 500, like many have in this era. And yeah, some loud exhaust yesterday. Hopefully, is it gonna leak on me? What are you gonna do? Ball bust me, you little truck. You got ball bust me, truck, and start leaking again. I don't see anything yet. Maybe tomorrow. Straighten out the pan. This door was whacked too, all down the side. That side was whacked and pushed in. It's this horrible bodywork. There's all holes drilled for some other asshole in New York. That's where the truck's from, New York. It was sold at man, what was that place called? Oh, Tom Rice. And of all places, I couldn't get it off the car. I found a car here, a Buick, once years ago, a trade-in, and had the Tom Rice logo, which is on the tailgate, before it got stolen. And I was just like, wow, way out of business to place. But it was delivered there. I think it was off like 25 in Huntington, New York. Yeah, 30 years old, man. Again, the biggest threats is this place, this driveway, the person who drives that vehicle, and the sun. I don't know, maybe the humidity. It all has to be eliminated. Anyway, 30 years old, man. Let's hope it lasts another 30 years, and I'm serious.